Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a matcha latte. This is my favorite way to start my morning and I think it's just delicious. So let's get started. So to start with, I have my heat at a medium level, not too hot, and I'm using almond milk today, but you can use any milk of your choice. And I have 1 1/4 cups. I find the best way to measure how much milk you need is really to first pour it into your mug, whatever mug you're using, and then you really get a sense of how much milk you really need. So to my milk, I'm also going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm pretty old school. I don't have a fancy frother to make my milk all frothy for my latte, so I'm just going to beat it with a whisk a little bit, and this usually gives it exactly what I need. It gets all nice and frothy, just as if I had a fancy frother. So now I'm going to take my matcha, and today I'm using an organic premium grade matcha, and I have 1.5 teaspoons of it, and I'm just going to add this into my mug. And if you have one of the little whisks, this is the perfect time to use it, but I actually do not have one of those today, so no big deal. I'm just going to be using a spoon. So then I'm going to take my boiling hot water, which I heated up inside, and I'm going to add in about 5 tablespoons of water. And then I'm going to immediately stir it and make sure and try not to spill it like I do. So once I've mixed my matcha and my water together, I'm going to add in my sweetener. So today I'm just using a raw blue agave, but you can use honey, maple syrup, or sugar. It's up to you for this one. So I like to add anywhere from 1 to 2 teaspoons. And give it a nice mix. So now that my milk is nice and hot and frothy, I can add it into my matcha mixture. And now the last thing I like to do before I really enjoy it is I like to just drizzle a final little bit of agave on top. And voila, here we have our finished beautiful matcha latte. Now the best part, getting to taste it. It's so good, and it's so good for you as well. That's why I love this drink. It's the perfect caffeine boost you need in the morning, and it tastes great too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. See you next time.